Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. It is July 2nd, 2024. Happy Canada Day to all, or America, July 4th day, and all that. Anyways, let's get into this. I found this post on Reddit in the CPP subreddit. Title is Algo Plus, a C++ 17 educational library for complex algorithms. Now, if you go into the GitHub, which is provided here, you can see here all the code. And he says there's a C++ library ready to use complex data structure and algo. So he has a Discord group. Full documentation is quite well laid out. Some examples. Now, here's the reason why I'm highlighting this. It seems people like my C++ coding posts and videos. So I'm just showing you as I go. I look for this sort of stuff every day. And I'm just posting this here for people that are interested in career development, specifically for high frequency trading. You can kind of learn this in Python, but you'd be laughed at crew, brand name, high frequency trading firms. They pretty well only work with C++, the odd time maybe Java, same with C sharp, but primarily a lot of it C++. So this is why I'm showing it to you in C++. And the other reason I'm talking about this is if you want to master the interviews, I don't care who you listen to, read, view, whatever. If you're not understanding the uh, algorithms that are going to be presented to you in some form of a test during interview process or recruiting process in these firms, you clearly demonstrate you're not capable of looking at some of these algos. Back in my time, we had maybe binary search tree, and that was it. But now it's getting a lot more complicated. You can see here he's got examples for graph um, algos, graph edge with 6 vertices and 7 edges. These are the sort of things that will be expected for you to know. A digraph, dgraph, I'm not even sure. That's how outdated I am, which is fine. Just so you know, a binary search tree is typically the fastest from what I learned. And then you can see here we have min-max heap, interval tree, splay tree, AVL tree, and then we'll get into the typical linked lists. These are very typical as test questions for algorithm database and just show optimization skills. Um, Circular linked list, double linked list, single linked list. And then you get into the different types of data structures, stack, queue, hash table, disjoint set. This is the important stuff here as we move into the AI world. So there's going to be various algos that you'll need to know about: basic machine learning, clustering algos, encoders, regression algos. That's specifically, you'll find a lot of that in classic trading. Shortest path algos, same thing. Image processing, maybe not so much unless they like their charts and deciphering what's in a chart. Um, Clustering algo, again, I'm not sure, but here's how to make this thing. You are very strongly advised to do it in Linux because all these shops use Linux. So these are the different types of examples, once again, to showcase that you're capable of understanding, not just being able to master these algos. And these are just the basic ones. And on top of that, be able to recode them from your memory. So if you don't know them, you're going to have difficulty learning them as well. So this is a pretty good new library put out. Seems that this guy, um, Spiros Mag 20, put a lot of effort into it. Um, and that's why I'm making the video, to make you aware of a good resource to test your algo basic skills in C++. Specifically, you want to get in a low latency. This is one of a small subset of what you need to know. Hopefully, I'll help you out. And don't forget, if you find this fairly complicated, which probably most people do, we've got quantlabs quantlabsnet.com. If you just want to learn about simple trading, go to quantlabsnet.com, click on learn, understand why I use TradingView, why a lot of the gurus out there are moving to TradingView as well. And I'm making, which is available online already, introduction into my high level TradingView course. We also have PineScript as well for the proprietary language of TradingView. But again, some may not want to pursue this. But if you're wanting to learn about trading and just again, actually a skill to have for this for for HFT is very good to have as well, because this is one of the other aspects a lot of recruiters will look for you to know. So TradingView is a good one to experiment with, especially it's quick to learn, quick to get you up and running and all that fun stuff. Over and out. Thanks.